Hi guys, today I will show you how to make the best Thanksgiving turkey of your life. Watch this video until the end and you will also learn how to make a gravy. This recipe is very easy to make. You just need to follow few simple steps to make a wonderful and flavorful turkey for your family and friends. Today I got a turkey that is approximately 5 kg. It took 2 days to defrost. I personally like to brine my turkey overnight with the pineapple juice and some spices. The natural acidity of pineapple juice will penetrate the turkey and will make the meat more tender. Now our turkeys are ready for massage. For the turkey butter rub, I use a finely chopped rosemary, thyme, parsley and garlic. Take 1 kg of unsalted butter, add salt, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, orange zest, grapefruit zest, lemon zest, and squeeze 1 lemon juice. Now add the chopped garlic with the herbs and then mix it. Make a pocket under the skin without breaking it. Then put the butter under the skin and wrap it thoroughly. At the end, cover the turkey with the rest of the butter. Put some salt and black pepper inside the turkey. And then fill it with the onion. Lemon and some herbs. Keep it for 1-2 hours in the chiller before cooking it. Cook the turkey 130 degrees for 2 hours and a half. Usually, to give an indication, is half an hour for each kg. During the cooking, from time to time, you can baste the turkey. Now our turkey is ready and it's time to make the gravy. Actually, to make the gravy is super easy. You just need to take it out all the filling from the turkey. Slice it. Add some cherry tomatoes. add 1 glass of apple cider, and then all the juice from the turkey and cook it. Thank you for watching and happy Thanksgiving.